How to play GTA 5 cross-platform PS5 and Xbox. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. So as we all know, GTA 5 is one of the most loved game that has been running from ages. Now to play with your friends in your cross-platform, you can easily play in your PS5 and Xbox. However, this means that you can team up with your PS5 or PS range console of your friends, and if you are on your Xbox, you need to team up with friends that also use Xbox. This is because the GTA 5 currently does not support any cross-platform between PS5 and Xbox. However, it does support online co-op. Even though it is different consoles, you can team up online. However, the cross-platform PS5 and Xbox is currently not supported by GTA 5 or Rockstar. However, there has been some of the news going around Rockstar can bring an update regarding cross-platform, which is yet to be confirmed. So team up with the PS5 friends or Xbox console friends. However, you won't be able to cross-platform for now, but there is again an option to online co-op. So that wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.